satellite scan.
TheIrishHux.
Alright YouTube, we are back and the alt is installed. We have it externally regulated. Man, she looks pretty on there if you ask me, boy. We have the CES 370. Alright, so it's set under the hood at 15.5. Now the charger that I use in the lithium only charges to 14.8. So from the 14.8 to 15.5, that's just going to be the alternator slowly charging it up. I've not really drove the truck enough yet to really get the resting voltage higher. As you see, it's starting to climb. But we're going to play a little bit and see what she sounds like. So stay tuned and we'll check it out. Alright, so we just got the alt on. This is first test, so let's see what it does.
Animals are trapped.
Try another one, a little bit higher frequency.
I got 25 pints in my book bag, 25 ounces of that OG gas. Suicide goes, I don't wanna die, bitch. Tryna call for my.
Alright, so we're gonna give him some Gucci Mane third quarter.
Is you rolling? Yeah, I roll this daily. Fuck you, baby. Fuck you, fuck you. CEO, fuck your artist, angels. And then like, what's up? Now, nigga, fuck you. You ain't worth it.
Alright, so we give the amp a minute to cool down. We're gonna try it again.
You're gonna be okay, kid. You're gonna be okay.
Slinging beats for water seats. It's DJ Rusticles.
Alright, so with the McMahon alt, we tried to float a bag of Takis and a bag of cheeses. They kind of would go up and kind of fly around. I assume this is probably still going to do the same, but the voltage is up a little bit. So let's turn her up. This is 22 hertz. All right, so the bag of Takis, they kind of floated, but let's see if we can get this hoodie to float. She getting down, man. She getting there. Subs are still cool. Coil's still cool. Hell yeah. She's slowly getting there. Let's try another one. All right, time for some 20 hertz. Shit keeps slapping me in the face. Well, that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Stay tuned. We'll eventually get this voltage all the way up and should gain even more. Stay tuned because we will get it on the turn lab sometime this week. So check it out. And I'm going to the Bass Outlaw Show, Florence, South Carolina, March 2nd. So be there. Check it out. Peace.
Hey, I'm
Subscribe.
motherfuckers.
The Irish Hux.